Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to solve Instagram like people not showing problem. If you cannot see Instagram like people not showing, please follow the step. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile icon, click on three line from the top right corner, scroll down and find out help, go to help, click on report a problem, tap on report problem. Now include and continue. Now in the box briefly explain what happened or what not working on your Instagram. So in this box please write Instagram support team, my Instagram like people not showing. Please solve it as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Then follow the next step. Now go to Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Then search Instagram app, and from here make sure your Instagram app is updated. If your app is not updated, please update your Instagram app. Then go to Instagram app and now see your all likes show your Instagram. So in this way you can solve your Instagram like people not showing problem.